So the artist for today is Tomasso from Italy, and you are playing beautifully. And now we want to just get some more knowledge about the instrument and about you and where did you get it from. So let's talk about the invention of this instrument. Like, where did it came from?
So it was invented by a musician in Trinidad, Cuba, at the end of 19th century.
Okay.
Because they were not allowed to play music, and so they start to make instruments with some pens or oil beans.
Okay.
And yeah, they wanted to play music anyway, and so they found a way to do that.
So it's a kind of invention that came out of I think they were like limited, they didn't had any kind of instrument, so they just beat it.
Exactly. They start with some bamboo sticks, but they banned also the bamboo sticks, and so they continue to try to find a way to play anyway, because music was really important for them.
These countries, they are like very much into music, and they just they live for the music.
They live for the music. And now there is one of the most common instruments, the steel drum.
Okay. Where did you get this instrument from, and like how did you make your mind that you need this instrument, you want to play this instrument? Like, where did it came from? Did you like saw some video or?
Yeah, I saw some video in internet, and I didn't have enough money to buy it.
Okay.
But then I worked a bit, and when I had the money, I just like I wanted, so I just bought it from an Italian guy, Argentinian Italian guy.
What's his name?
Sonido de Mano.
Okay, so he's like professionally making.
It's a maker. It's a maker from Italy, and there's not a lot of makers in the world yet. But because it's a really new instrument, since it's like just 20 years or more that it was invented.
And it's completely made out of like handwork. It's like completely.
Yeah, they use a press to make the shell, and they make the hole for the notes, and then they hammer it to tune it.
Okay.
So it's a long work.
And like, how much is the approximately cost for a handpan?
So it depends of the notes, the number of the notes.
Okay, so they can have like multiple notes.
Yeah.
How much notes this one is having?
These have just 9 notes, but they can reach 21 notes or more.
Oh my God, 21 notes. Okay.
And the price is different, and it depends of the quality and of the notes, of course, and it goes from like 1,000 euro to also 5,000 euros.
It depends on the number of notes.
Yeah, and also of the material, because there are different kind of metals, and they have different kind of sounds.
Okay.
And they are more stable or less stable, so you have to retune it, and just the maker can do it by hammer. And
okay, and like when did you get this instrument? When did you bought it?
Was in at the end of April 2021.
2021.
Yeah. So
you're just playing it for 1 year and you play it so well now.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, just 1 year, and I play it every day. I really like it, and it's kind of meditation for me.
Oh yeah.
And it's just not playing an instrument, you know.
Okay. And if someone watching this video, he wants to buy this instrument, can you suggest again the name of the person? And
you can buy it from Sonido de Mano.
Okay. So you can click on the link below in the description, and you can contact the artisan, and don't forget to tell him about Tomasso, that he referred you to him. So tell me, like, how difficult this instrument is to learn, and how did you learn it? Like, you were playing it just for 1 year and you played so well, so just share some information.
It's not really difficult. You have to just to practice, to have a bit of rhythms, and but it's so intuitive, because the sound is very good, the notes are really good together, and it's really difficult to make a not really good sound. And I just learned it watching videos on YouTube, and listen to music made with this instrument.
So if someone has like little bit knowledge of rhythm music, then he can play it easily.
Yeah,
for
yeah,
start.
yeah, for sure, for
E-
sure. It's just a matter
yeah.
of practice. Yeah.
Even also I tried last night and it was like very easy. I was not like as good as him. He's like a pro in it, but yeah, for the newcomers also like it is very easy instrument to play, and it's the sound you heard, you already know that it's so magical. It is actually magical.
It's
And
magical, yeah.
especially playing at like nearby a lake or in the nature is always like so beautiful. So any last message you want to give to the viewers, or like where can they buy it? You already told it where can they buy, but is it like easy if they are from some other country to like ship or anything?
Yeah, it's pretty easy. Sonido de Mano ship instrument in all the world.
Okay.
So you can just contact him on Instagram, and he is very kind, and he will really like to make instrument for people because he loved that instrument, and yeah.
Thank you for
Thank you.
playing for
Thank you,
us and
Tarun.
entertaining all the viewers and all the information. Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste.